Browns rookie QB Shedeur Sanders caught zooming at 101 miles per hour. In a startling turn of events, Shedeur Sanders, the highly touted rookie quarterback for the Cleveland Browns, found himself in hot water after being pulled over for speeding at an astonishing 101 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone. The incident occurred in the early hours of June 17, 2025, on Interstate 71 in Strongsville, a suburb of Cleveland. The incident. At approximately 12:24 a.m., local law enforcement stopped Sanders as he zipped down the highway. The officer, clearly taken aback by the excessive speed, issued a citation for the fourth-degree misdemeanor. This hefty violation comes with a potential $250 fine, but Sanders chose to pay it promptly, avoiding any further legal complications. A pattern emerging. This wasn't a one-off incident for the young QB. Just weeks before, on June 5th, Sanders was also cited for another speeding violation, clocking in at 91 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone in Medina County. The dual infractions raised eyebrows among fans and analysts alike, sparking discussions about the responsibilities that come with being a professional athlete. The Browns' response. In the wake of the incident, the Cleveland Browns organization took immediate action. They met with Sanders to discuss the seriousness of the situation, emphasizing the importance of adhering to traffic laws and setting a positive example for fans and aspiring athletes. The team expressed their commitment to supporting Sanders as he navigates the challenges of being a rookie in the NFL. Moving forward, as Sanders prepares for the upcoming season, this incident serves as a reminder that even the most promising athletes must remain grounded and responsible. Fans are hopeful that this experience will motivate Sanders to focus on his game and personal conduct, ensuring he remains a role model both on and off the field. This shocking chapter in Sanders' early career will undoubtedly be watched closely as he aims to make his mark in the NFL. Will he learn from this experience and emerge as not just a talented player, but a respected leader? Only time will tell.